We are back in the kitchen today, and I was pretty excited about this bake. I made unicorn cookies for my niece. These were so fun. Pink, purple, and a little bit of sugar. What could go wrong? First, I made the dough, which is fairly simple. Combine the butter with the regular sugar and the powdered sugar. Then add quite a few eggs. And of course, you never want to skip the vanilla. Then adding the dry ingredients of flour, salt, baking powder. Mix it all up till a dough forms. Then separate that dough into 3 equal pieces. Starting with pink, adding the food coloring that I found in my cupboard, wrapping them in saran wrap to chill. Then repeated the process again with purple food coloring. It should be noted that you can use any kind of color, but I do wish that my coloring would have been brighter. Chill each of the colored doughs for at least an hour. Then you roll out each one into a flat circle. Rolling out dough can actually be quite calming, and I must have been having a grand old time rolling that out because I rolled mine a little too thin. Then stacking the different colored dough on top of one another and rolling into a log shape, which you're going to chill for another hour. Use a sharp knife to slice the dough into your desired thickness and bake for about 12 minutes or until the edges are just set. Once cooled, I rolled the edges in royal icing and then dipped that into some sprinkles. Sugar was not lacking, but look how cute they turned out.